Sam likes to monitor a lot. I think it's already one of his favorite apps.
Actually, yung monitor ko yung health app ko, tsaka yung solar, literally on a daily basis. Because I really want to see, especially after the Helios was installed, the system was installed. I'm so curious about the battery and how the battery can be used to power the house or the appliances and whatnot. So yun talaga yung binabantayan ko every day. Titignan ko how much energy we're gathering and how much energy we're actually using sa bahay.
I mean, in terms of investment, it's so sulit. I mean, it should be one of the priorities when building a home. Even if you're not building a home, if you're just like, putting in some upgrades, it should definitely be number one on your list.
Kasi
it's always worth it.
Oh, kasi it's if you think about the initial gastos, syempre, you have to spend for it, yes. But let's look at the long game. Diba? If you can cut your electricity bill to zero every month, or you just think about yung binabayad mo na lang, kasi yung Helios, meron sila installment. If you look at it this way, yung binabayad mo monthly para sa solar system mo, no? Bumili ka ng Helios, tapos nakamonthly ka naman. Instead of paying it to the electric company, binayad mo sa installment, and eventually, sa'yo na yung solar system. Wouldn't that make sense? Ako, I appreciated how, the Helios team really took time to explain to me alin yung mga malalakas na kino-consume natin, alin yung mga rooms na malakas, how much power we can gather or harvest, and how this can be used as a battery to power the house.
Yeah. Even the app is very easy to understand, so I guess that's such a big plus. Well, I feel confident. Naka-on na kami ng AC. But seriously, we're able to enjoy without having to worry if sinasagad namin masyado, which, to be honest, there are times, especially pag Christmas, and naka-on buong night, yung Christmas lights, si Sam will be like, yung electricity bill.
Di, tsaka nangawa ako sa'yo. Hindi ako magano. Minsan nangawa ko sa kanya, hindi na siya magkukulot ng buhok.
What?
Hindi na siya mag-hydra. Kasi mataas na yung bill. No?
Okay, number one, that was never...
Yung coffee maker, naka-display na lang. Mataas na kasi yung bill.
But yeah, it allows us to enjoy our home a lot better.
Yes.
Like any other worries. And yeah, we're super happy.
Sige, pinag-usapan na natin yung financing term, yung how mag-ROI ka naman, yes. But I think one thing that I also want to discuss would be reducing the carbon footprint.
Yes.
We are living in a pretty crazy world where it gets getting, especially in the Philippines, getting pretty polluted. So I think it's also our way of making sure that the future in a small way would be a bit better.
I mean, it's definitely environmentally friendly, and it's a step towards that direction. And we do try to do upgrades along that line all the time. So for us, it's a win-win.